Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to send messages individually to everyone instead of sending bulk messages. So let's say you have a phone number of a particular customer and you want to send a template message. How can you send that? So for that, here is go log into our platform, go to WhatsApp campaigns, go to broadcast tabs. So this will need a knowledge of how to run broadcast. If you have not watched video, please watch the broadcast video. Once you have watched that, so you just need to create a broadcast. So I'm going to edit and show you. So here the broadcast is already created. So once you create a broadcast, at the time of uploading the Excel sheet, just upload any sample Excel sheet, and instead of scheduling, don't run it. Just keep it in draft. So now so this is a kind of broadcast which is not scheduled yet. Whenever you want to send a message to any particular contact, enter the phone number as if you are sending a test message and click on send. So in that way, template message will be sent to that particular contact. Now whenever you want to send a message to someone else, just click on this edit button of this campaign that you have run. You have not run, you have scheduled or kept in draft. You don't need to fill anything because everything is saved. Just go to the final screen, enter the phone number, and click on send test message. So that is how you can send messages individually to anyone, any of the selected template. Thank you.